You one day. Danny, how many times did I call your name? How many times did I call your name? Good morning, guys. I'm currently in the process of doing my makeup or finishing it off and putting on my wig. Where can I keep y'all? Here. Oh god, look at all the mess. So today I have a meeting in the morning. After my meeting I have a event with Roxy, so I want to go and like show my support and stuff, and then straight after that I'm gonna come back home because I got lots of work to do today. I think I might just have my hair packed back because I have half an hour. I still don't really know what I'm wearing, so let me just zoom my hair real quick. Okay guys, so I just finished my meeting and now I went to Topshop and I did some damage. I'm not gonna lie, Topshop's having some sick sale. I'll tell you guys what I got when I get home. Currently I am at Roxxsaurus's makeup event with Makeup Revolution, and she's having a collaboration today with Makeup Revolution. So we are currently at their launch party event. I'm waiting for Rachel because Miss Bada, I put her on the list and she is not here. Just shaming us, like she's actually running late. It is now almost 1 o'clock and she's not here, and she keeps telling me she's 2 minutes away. But anyways, so let me show you guys the event. So cute. There she is, Miss Lit. Ooh, ooh, she got her heels on. Yes. Woo! We're gonna do a mini Love Island update. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna do a mini Love Island update. So who are we feeling? Who are we not liking?
I love avocado.
You know, yeah, I knew you were gonna say that. Yeah, that's avocado. Okay, Love Island. I knew you were gonna say you like Amber. I knew you were gonna say you like Amber. Do you watch Love Island?
I do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you the complete opposite. I find Amber, I think she's really hard on the outside, but I actually think she's probably nice deep down, but she does come across quite hard to taste.
I knew you would say that.
I like Anna. I loved Anna. Really real. Yeah, really real. Like girl code. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was like, okay, I'm here for Anna. Who else am I feeling?
So it's just like, obviously it's too comfortable, but
I can't lie, me, I would take off my wig. I swear, I will take off my wig because they need to see the real. You know how hot it must be on here? 24/7. Hi guys, okay, so I just got back from London and somehow I'm in the Range. Now if you guys don't know, the Range do like bomb ass furniture stuff. Look at this mirror, it's so cute. £4-5. Yeah, they have lots of mirrors and I really feel like in my bedroom I need a mirror. So she's going shopping today and she's looking for like a cute mirror. This is really cute, this one's really nice. It's like a massive circle, but I think that's way too grand. Y'all want to go shopping with me? Okay, let's go shopping. Ooh, this one's cute. Yeah, I'm really looking for like a nice statement mirror, but it doesn't even have to be that like too much going on. It can be really plain. It's just for the bedroom. Okay, so I'm back home now from the Range. I got a mirror, but I think I'll show you guys tomorrow in the vlog which mirror I got. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Topshop today. I got some goodies or whatever. Well, first of all, I got these shorts, which I think are so cute. They're just like normal bicycle shorts with Adidas logo on it. And then your girl got some goodies. I don't even like spending, like I hate shopping, but Topshop are doing like a massive sale, so I was like, okay, let me see what I want. After my meeting today, I had an hour to burn, so I actually went in there just to burn time. And then I saw this and I was like, this is the bag I literally wanted. I have an obsession with small bags, like small tiny bags. I literally have an obsession. So if anyone wants to ever get me a gift, get me a small cute bag. So I saw this. This is so cute. The thing is, yeah, I actually saw it when it was £27. Look. Can you guys see it? I saw it when I was £27, this exact color. They have it in different colors, and I really wanted it because it's not like crazy small. Like, you know, you get the small ones that can't fit anything. This is not like crazy small. This can still fit a few things in there, and I really wanted it. But now it's on sale for £10. I was like, okay, I could do a cheeky £10. Also, this one, same thing. I really wanted it, so I actually lined up to get both of these bags. Crazy, right? This one was 25, I think. 32. Oh wow, this was 32. Wow, this was £32. Now it's £10. That is crazy. Wow, I was really a fool. I lined up to get both of these bags, and then I was like, what am I doing? I think it was payday, so I was like, okay, let me treat myself and get myself like a cute gift. And literally both of these bags are what I wanted to get, so that's really cute. And then this one is so cute. Like, any outfit you wear this with, it would just like bling the outfit up, especially if you wear it with like a dark color. It would just bling the outfit up. A little clip as well, but I think it's really cute. What else did your girl got? So I got this. I feel like this would look really cute on holiday. This was £5 from £16. This was £5. It's nice. It's got like brown interior, and I feel like it's really cute just for like holiday vibes. And then I got this skirt, which was, how much was this skirt? This skirt was £7 from £20. See, I actually get good deals. I got this skirt, which I think is cute. I think it's really cute. I tried it on because normally these skirts that are like this, they're actually too short. They're way too short. So I tried this on, and it really wasn't that short. It was like a decent length on me, like just over my knee, just above my knee. People are making outfits just for pictures. I was really wearing that skirt outside. The whole, everything will be exposed. So I was like, no, I need to stop doing. I need to get skirts that I can actually wear out and about and live a comfortable life, huh? Yeah, this is like a good length on me. This is the only thing that I'm kind of regretting buying, but I have a vision for it, which is why I got it. I got it because the event I went to today, I didn't have a belt and my trousers were falling down. I left my belt at home, so I had to get a belt, and also it matches the bag. So I have a vision on how I can wear it, but then I don't know if it'll be too matchy. But anyways, we'll figure it out. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, because I brought it there. So it's not even like identical completely, but it can run. Do you know what I mean? Guys, I hate jeans. If you clock, I always wear leggings or skirts. Like, I hate jeans, but my boyfriend loves me in jeans. Like, I actually hate jeans, and you know, compromise and all of that. So I was like, let me just get these jeans. Everyone says Topshop jeans are really good. These are the Jamie jeans. How much were these? These were, now it's £20. So I just got these. They're light blue. They got the rib. They do feel comfortable, so I was like, okay, let me just get them, and they do make the booty look cute. So I just got it. Cute. What am I doing today? Right now I need to get some food in my stomach, because Roxy, I love you sis, but the full portion, like the portions, me and Rachel were like, this is the and I was like, okay, cheeky little starter. And then they were like, do you want two? And I was like, yes sis, bring the second one, thank you very much. And then they were like, party done. Where's the man? The man is not okay. Like, this is how we both stay skinny, you know. Anyways, yeah, so I need to make some food. Is there anything else to show you guys? I don't know. Oh, I'm loving vlogging. I think this is so much fun. Like, I love vlogging. So I'm gonna eat some food and probably check back in you guys when I'm watching Love Island. Jay's gonna come around later and we're gonna watch Love Island together, so you guys can see like our commentary of Love Island and stuff. That should be fun. I think I love Amber now. I think I'm becoming an Amber fan. Rachel kind of gassed me. I think I like her. Who else? Okay guys, I'm so sorry, but we interrupt this vlog to bring you an update. I'm literally in the middle of editing this vlog that you're watching right now. Footages, as Carly B would say, that you guys are watching now. Now it's been on for about a week and a half, so I can give you a revamped update of Love Island, because you know things change every 2 seconds. Let's go. Now there is two mumus, idiots, fools in this situation. The first person is me. Yes, I said it. I said what I said. First idiot is me. I'm so dumb for ever doubting Amber. As in, Rachel, you were right from the beginning. I'm a foolish idiot bombastic goat forever doubting Amber. Amber is a real one. That again, the clip that you saw previously was the first week of Love Island, and I wasn't really feeling her. Rachel loved her. I weren't personally feeling her, but now I stand. As in, I stand. I see a queen and I stand. Okay. Second of all, Danny, how many times did I call your name? How many times did I call your name? You one day. Such a fine babe. Such a fine babe. Crying over that triangle. As in, do you know what? Let me calm down. Honestly speaking, I'm happy Yuande's off the show. The way they were doing my sis, it's not actually worth it. Like, it's actually not worth it. Down to the way the show would edit stuff, down to the music they would play, down to the catchphrases they would use. And I know people are going to be like, Mimi, here you go again with your rants, but no, like, when everybody else is upset, they can be upset by playing Miley Cyrus in the background. It's all giddy, jubbly music. When Yuande is upset, the song that they want to play is Does That Make Me Crazy? Clip of Yuande, insert here. Oh, I'm so flipping fuming. I'm so fuming. Does that make me crazy? Bye, Felicia. I got a text. Someone will be leaving the island today. Hashtag bye, Felicia. Does that make me crazy? I can't believe he would do this to me. I'm so angry. Possibly. The things they would do, I would literally be watching it obviously as with a creative eye, and I'm like, why are they doing this? Like, literally, like, I know people are gonna be like, Mimi, you're overanalyzing it, but no, you guys have to see, they did too much. And honestly, I don't even think it was worth it. Like, sis, just come out the villa. If you want to start a hairline, if you want to start an eyelash line, if you want to start whatever you want, people saying Anna and Amber did too much. I agree with you, they did too much, but guess what? I stand. Amber and Anna did too much. Yesterday they were doing a lot, but guess what? Danny deserved it. He actually deserved it, because I think you got to understand, for them to have that much vim, we don't even know the things that Danny was saying to Yuande. The girls were raging, so we don't know the things that felt like they were like all besties going on dates and stuff like that together, or hanging out together in the villa. And now Danny's come and scattered the plan. You come and interrupted the whole flow. He's telling everyone stuff. He's telling Yuande, whispering sweet nothing into her ear, and then a new girl wants to come in, and one day I just don't really know what I'm on. I just don't really know what I'm doing. It just shows you. And the worst thing is, when Yuande wasn't opening up, I was like, I could relate. Like, everyone can relate to being that girl who's been heartbroken before, not wanting to open up, whereas people like Amy and Curtis that are like, I just love her, you want her to be my half girlfriend. You've known the girl for 4 days. Don't get me wrong, in that house the environment is probably really intense, but like, Yuande doesn't seem like that kind of girl. She's like, bruv, it's been 9 days, why'd I have to open up? It's been 9 days. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So she was so reserved. The moment you got her to break her walls down small, because it was small, I'm not gonna lie, that's when you want to come and say, oh, I just think that the supermodel girl that walked in is a bit of me as well. Sis, I stand for Queen Amber. Amber and Mike need to win. Like, I love Mike. And Lucy, oh my god, babe, leave the house. It is time to go. I'm like, Anton, I actually voted to save you. But guess what I'ma do next? You know what I hated? Arabella was saying, oh, it's so forceful. You're doing the most. You're really forcing yourself onto this guy. And it's like, she was doing exactly that. She is so manipulative, yeah, but Arabella was doing the same thing, just in a different way. Like, she'll be like, right, so tell me right now, if the decision was down right now, who would you pick? Is that not being forceful? Is that not doing the most? Arabella was honestly doing the most. They literally did Yuande wrong, but it's cool. And in my head, I'm like, I don't even know if I can take another black girl coming in, because obviously as the black community, we all get so protective as well. We're like, what did they say about Yuande? Say it to my face. Say it to my face. I'm coming to the villa. Coming to the villa. Like, we all get so protective, and it's like, I don't know if I can handle this again. Do you know what I mean? It's like, but at the same time, representation and all of that, we need to be seen. Do you know what I mean? Don't just put white boys who only want white girls. I even need to see more Asians. Like, I want to see what their dating life is like. I want to see what everyone, it's a British TV show, and I feel like Britain is so diverse. So it's like, make it diverse. Love Island needs to do better. No, black girls get guys. Like, don't get it twisted, we get guys. And this is honestly why I supported Backchat when we had to, when Backchat did the whole island thing, because it's like, we can't keep saying, oh, we need like shows for, I get it, some Backchat topics are really controversial and stuff, but the whole villa element and them living in the villa, it was such good to watch. Like, that's why I paid my 99p and I watched it, because we can't keep saying, oh, they need to be better for us, but when there is someone trying to do something similar and then we don't support it or we knock it down, like, that doesn't make sense. Even though I get it, don't use Backchat as an example, Mimi, because it's so problematic in a lot of ways, but at the same time it's like oh, anyways, oh my lord, bruv, oh, Love Island is literally doing me. But anyways, let me get out this video now. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.